Hello everybody, welcome to Linux terminal tutorial. Here we will learn about basics Linux terminal commands. About our first command, that is pwd. That pwd commands prints the absolute path to current working directory. Let's see what does that mean. Just write pwd. We are working on this directory, this home chown. Let's go to by using GUI home. This is the directory. If I just right click it and open in terminal, you see the same directory. Just write pwd, press enter. You see this is the same directory. We can change the directory. For example, you want to go to this download, just go there and right click and open in terminal. You see this is the download directory. Just write pwd. This is how you will know the directory. This is the directory where we located now, but in this terminal this location is in chown. So by using terminal, how we can change the directory? For that we need to use a command, that is cd, stand for change directory. We want to go downloads, downlo. Just write that and press tab. It will be write everything for you and press enter. You see now these two terminal are in the same directory, same download directory. If I write pwd here, you see this one is also in download directory. We can come back to this chown directory by using a command of cd and double dot. This is the directory we can use to change the directory. Okay, let's close on window of terminal and close it also. Now we know this is how it's works. But one more thing, every time when you want to change directory, you don't know which folder are in this directory. That means in chown folder you can see we can see it graphically, and here we can find those folder, but we in terminal, how do we know that those are located? That means those folder are there. How we can know? So to know which folder or which file is located in our current directory, that means our current directory is home chown, we need to use a command, that is ls. That will show all of the folder and files that is located in our working directory. You see there is desktop, documents, download, example desktop, all of them you can find in your graphical user interface. You see all of them are present here. One more thing, you know a command ls, but you don't know how to use ls. For that you need to use a command to know more about that command. For example, you want to know about this pwd command. Just write pwd and space double dash help. It will help you to learn more about that. This is saying print the name of current directory. That is what this command does. And there are some options. One more thing, just write ls and get help from it. You see there is lots of option and definition what we can do with ls. They are saying list information about files, the current directory by default, short entries and alphabetically if none of short is specified. That means you can see all of them. Those are the option we can use. If I use -a, that will show do not ignore any entries. For example, there are some file hidden in that folder, but if I use a, those hidden file will be displayed in our terminal. I think you got my point. Okay, let's learn more about it. If I just write f dash f, that will classify. Just press Ctrl Shift C, that is how we can copy. Appear the indicator to entries. Okay, let's see. ls Ctrl Shift V. There are maybe 2 space. We want only once. You see, these are the indicators. ls, there is no indicators, but when I write ls -f, those are the indicators we can show. Okay,